Hello my friend, magandang araw at welcome sa Juan Retirement. Kung ikaw ay nagtatrabaho sa private sector o di kaya voluntary member at naghuhulog sa SSS, alam mo ba kung magkano ang monthly pension mo pag-retire mo at 60? Pag-uusapan natin ngayon ang tatlong formula na ginagamit ng SSS para makompute ang retirement pension mo. Bago ang lahat, kailangan mong malaman ang iyong AMSC kasi gagamitin natin ito sa pag-compute ng pension mo. Ano nga ba ang AMSC? AMSC stands for Average Monthly Salary Credit. SSS gets the top 60 highest monthly salary credit na meron ka, not necessarily consecutive, at kinukuha nito yung average ng 60 na yon para makompute yung AMSC mo. Formula number 1, fix plus percentage plus bonus years. Formula number 1 is the most detailed and most of the time the biggest pension computation. Makikita mo sa formula na there is a fix which is 300 plus yung percentage which is 20% ng AMSC plus bonus years which is 2% ng AMSC times number of years over 10. Ibig sabihin, for example, if you are working for 25 years, meron kang extra 15 years. So if you use the formula, assuming na meron kang AMSC na 30,000 at naghuhulog ka sa SSS ng 25 years, our answer is 300 plus 20% ng 30K, 6,000, 2% ng AMSC times 15 kasi over 10 years ka ng 15 years equals total of 15,300 per month. Formula number 2. Simple lang, 40% ng AMSC. So kung meron kang 30,000 na AMSC, 40%, 12,000 per month. Diretso, walang fixed base, walang bonus years. And usually, this is best for those who have short-term contribution less than 10 years. Formula number 3. Ito naman ay flat rate based on the years of contribution. If you have contributed from 10 to 20 years, that's automatically 1,200 per month. Kung nakapag-contribute ka ng more than 20 years, you will receive 2,400 per month. Sa formula number 3, walang AMSC involved. Fixed lang yung amount based on number of years. And here is the good news. SSS will choose the highest among the 3 formulas as your monthly pension. Kung ikaw ay may contribution with long history, more than 10 years, Formula 1. Kung ikaw naman ay may short history, but you have a high AMSC, Formula number 2. Kung mababa naman yung AMSC mo, you'll get Formula 3. I hope may natutunan kayong bago sa araw na ito na makakatulong sa inyo sa pagplano sa inyong retirement. Laging tandaan, the best time to prepare for retirement was many years ago. The next best time to prepare is today. God bless. Pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon. This is John from Juan Retirement, your source of financial advice to help you prepare for your future. Please like, share, and subscribe for more financial wisdom. Kita-kits sa next episode.